好，咁我哋去到做 revision booklet 嘅目錄先啦。咁你睇到啦，有3個 part 嘅 part A、part B、part C。咁佢哋分別咧都係喺你嘅考試嗰度嘅3個 part。咁 part A 咧就係 reading comprehension 啦，咁會有2篇啦，同考試一樣。part B 咧就係 vocabulary。咁我哋陣間就會提及係咩 vocab 啦。咁跟住 part C 咧就係 usage，即係 grammar 啦。咁就諗一諗翻自己究竟應該做邊一 part 先會好啲。咁我而家咧就會先講 part A reading 嘅。OK， 好，咁我哋望下做 reading 嘅時候，我哋有啲咩要注意啦。記住咧，我哋唔好一開始咧就去睇篇文章。當我哋睇文章嘅時候咧，其實係需要，不過我哋要睇咩咧？譬如我睇下第一篇 passage 係關於啲咩？譬如 passage 1係關於 dress special day at Hong Kong Secondary School。好啦，咁 dress special day 同 dress 有關，即係着衫有關嘅喎。得唔得？係喺邊度啊？唔喺小學啊，喺 secondary school，即係中學啦。好，咁我哋翻去個題目望一望先。我哋首先記住要 highlight keywords 先好做啊。望咗 instruction， 跟住先睇題目。好，譬如第一個嘅 part 啦，佢 read the information, text 1 and 2 on page 2 and 3 of the reading passages and answer the question below. For MC question, choose the best answer and blacken one circle only. 記住人哋係叫你 blacken， 唔係 circle 或者 underline 啦。好 ，number 1 decide whether the statement below about school's dress special day DSD。原來 dress special day 係有 short form 即係 DSD 嘅。A true false or not given， 簡單啦 ，true false not given。好 A DSD is held every year， 係咪每年都會搞 DSD 呢？咁我陣間去睇返篇文章嘅時候，我係應該去睇下究竟 DSD 幾耐先搞一次。咁如果佢話係啊，我哋每年都係搞一次嘅，譬如有啲咩字係等於每年都搞啊，譬如 annual 啊，呢一啲字呢，即係解每年啦。咁都要識嘅，得唔得？咁如果你揾唔到啲咩 annual 啊、every year 啊，咁可能佢真係冇講過嘅喎，咁可能就係 not given， 或者佢話 DSD is held every 2 years， 咁咪真係 false 咯，得唔得？好，跟住 B minimum donation，minimum 最少 donation 呢個字學過㗎啦，即係捐款。You must make it 15 Hong Kong dollars， 係唔係15蚊呢？咁你又係喺篇文章度揾翻啲錢，咁你就知係咪㗎啦。好 C the donation raise， 即係籌到翻嚟嘅錢啦。We'll go to one charity organisation。好，個最重要嘅 keyword 係 one， 係咪只係去一間嘅慈善團體呢？定係去5間、10間呢？咁唔知道啦。好 ，number 2 complete the sentence below， 叫你完成下面嘅句子啊。According to text 1， 第一篇啦 ，the school's dress special day DSD 啦 is also the last， 好重要噶 ，the last， 最後嘅咩呢？咁我哋要揾啦 ，which is on， 好，個 on 字都係非常重要噶 ，on 字後面通常我哋咧都會係跟一個日期嘅，得唔得？就好似 at 後面會跟咩啊？冇錯啦，會跟 time 時間，譬如 at 10 o'clock。OK， 咁 on 後面就會跟日期。好，跟住 number 3 how much money， 幾多錢 has the school raised so far？ 學校而家籌到幾多錢啊？咁好簡單啦，問得你幾多錢，咁即係個答案會係一個數字啦。好 ，number 4 how do student get the DSD stickers。好啦，佢哋點先可以攞到嗰一張貼紙呢？咁你要揾咯喎，點樣先可以攞到貼紙嘅 stickers 就係個 keywords 啦。OK， 好 ，Number 5，What is the original name？ 就算唔知 original 點解啊，默書默過㗎啦，雖然即係本身 name 你都實識啦，名啦 ，for the community chest 即係公益金 DSD。好，呢個係第一樣嘢你要答㗎，本身個名係乜嘢？第二樣嘢 why 點解 ？Did it change in 2006？ 點解06年嘅時候會 change 啊，改咗啊？好啦 ，2 marks 睇分都好重要㗎，其他有啲 1 mark 嘅啫，呢個係2 marks，即係話你要答兩樣嘢㗎啦。跟住呢度1分，呢度1分，即係話呢一個題目1分，呢一個題目1分，本身叫咩名1分，跟住點解06年嘅時候改咗1分，小心啲睇題目，小心啲答，得唔得？好 ，Number 6，find words or expression in text 2。好啦，今次係睇 text 2㗎啦，唔係睇 text 1啊。Have similar meaning。即係近似，即係揾近義詞或者同義詞。OK， 好 A informal 近義詞喎 ，informal 喎 ，formal informal 記唔記得？咁 informal 嘅近義詞係咩呢？Sorry， 好，跟住 B concept。哇！你個 concept 好好啊 ，concept 點解呢？你嘅概念諗法得唔得？好，跟住 C 呢一個呢，好明顯係一個可能係 plural，但係亦都可能係一個咩詞啊 ？verb 嘅 third person singular 啦。咁我唔知道佢本身係一個 noun 嘅 plural form 啊，定係一個 verb 嘅 third person singular 啦。得唔得？咁你就要揾啦。咁你揾嗰一個近似嘅字都要係點啊 ？Either 如果佢係 noun form，你都要係一個 plural；如果佢係一個 verb，佢都要係 third person singular。即係話點都好，嗰個字最尾嗰個都會係一個 s 㗎啦。得唔得？所以呢啲位要好小心。好 ，Number 7，describe 描述。Two unusual costumes， 一啲好唔常見嘅服飾。One at DSD in the past， 喺過去有啲人着咗一啲好奇怪嘅服飾喎，咁係咩呢？4分嘅喎，你每答對一個有2分喎，咁啊小心啲揾啦。2個喺過去啲人着好奇怪嘅服飾啊，不尋常嘅服飾。好，跟住 Number 8。好得意喎，有圖嘅喎。今次人哋想叫你做咩啊？睇清楚啦，有 example 俾咗你㗎。佢話 DSD is getting closer. Your classmates are busy planning their outfits。好啦，佢哋喺度咧 plan 緊佢哋嘅着嘅衫啊。And they want your advice。喂，想你俾啲意見啊。Fill in the blanks below with the rule number. School rules, rule 規矩 from text 2. The first two have been done for you as an example. 好啦，俾咗 example 嚟嘅，譬如呢一個 number 2，呢個係 number 3。好啦，譬如啊 number 1呢一個 check that your head wear isn't too big。喂，你嗰個 head wear 即係頭啦。戴喺個頭嘅服飾咧，唔可以太大啊！好啦，咁邊一條規矩話唔可以啊？原來係 number 2嘅規矩話唔得嘅。好啦，另外佢話 Is this a wig? You are not allowed to wear one according to rule。好啦，係咪一個 wig 啊？喂，你諗都諗到啦，有冇人個頭係咁樣啊？有冇人返學？冇喎，呢個係咩嚟㗎？假髮啊！OK。 好啦，呢個係咪假髮啊？邊條規矩話唔可以戴假髮啊？咁你要揾翻啦。所以咧，其實做 matching 咧，我哋其實最重要係揾一啲 keywords 出嚟。你唔揾 keywords 咧，你就其實唔知道。譬如好似我哋睇下 number 3啦，佢話 You should not wear makeup to school on DSD。好啦，makeup 即係你哋成日女孩子成日做嗰啲咩啊？我冇啊。唔係啊，係有色嘅防曬咋。唔係啊，冇搽唇膏啊，係滋潤唇膏有顏色咋。其實咪就係 make up 咯，即係化妝。好啦，咁呢個係 keywords 啦，化妝得唔得？好，跟住睇下 number 4啦。Your shoes， 同咩有關 ？shoes 喎，鞋喎。Maybe a problem. Check that their heels aren't more than 6 cm high。咩地方會有6 cm 高啊？咁梗係講緊鞋踭啦，得唔得？唔可以着高過6 cm 高嘅鞋踭嘅鞋，唔可以着高踭鞋，得唔得？咁呢個就係 for 女孩子噶啦。邊條 rule 係話俾你聽唔可以着高踭鞋呢？好，男孩子啦。Number 5. According to rule number these are way too short。太短啦，咩太短啊？唔係講佢身體嘅部分，係講佢着緊嘅衫。呢個係咩嚟㗎？佢條褲嚟嘅 ，OK？ 條褲太短啦 ，too short，OK？And so are not suitable for DSD。太短嘅褲都唔適合啊，真係慘啦，太短都唔得啦。好，跟住 sandals are okay according to rule number sandals。呢對係咩鞋啊？涼鞋。涼鞋係點啊？OK 嘅喎，可以着涼鞋翻嚟啊！咁邊條 rule 話係可以着涼鞋呢？咁你要揾翻啦，得唔得 ？OK， 好，冇問題。我哋去 passage 2望下啦。好 ，passage 2。Number 1， 又係睇下個 instructions 先。Read the following information from the article A Popular Home on page 4。Popular Home 第2篇文章嚟㗎啦。And answer the question for MC question, black and one circle only. OK， 呢啲係 MC 啦。Which word is the best replacement for inexpensive in line 6？ 第6行有一個字係 inexpensive， 邊個字係可以 replace 佢啊？替代得唔得？好，究竟 A、B、C、D 邊個字呢？咁你自己揾咯喎。咁首先你要知 inexpensive 點解啦。expensive 你應該知噶啦。咁 inexpensive 點解呢？咁可以估下啦。咁文章度都好清晰話到俾你聽咩叫 inexpensive 嘅。好 ，Number 2 Why does Mr. Low Low 啦 sleep 瞓啊 in a fast food shop？ 點解佢要喺快餐店瞓覺啊？個原因係咩啊？係咪因為快餐店好舒服啊？定點啊？即係我唔知你有冇聽過啦。夜晚咧，好多人咧都會喺麥當勞瞓覺嘅。咁點解佢哋要喺麥當勞瞓覺咧？咁點解唔翻屋企瞓咧 ？OK， 咁你睇下文章你就明㗎啦。好，跟住 Number 3 Fill in the blanks with the help of the given words。呢度有啲字俾你嘅。首先你睇晒啲字先。好，第一個 homeless，home 你實知點解㗎啦 ，homeless L-E-S-S 喎，少咗喎，呢度唔係解少咗，呢度係解冇啊，即係無家可歸啊，得唔得？好，第二個 unacceptable，accept 可接受 ，unacceptable 即係可唔可以接受呢？好 ，Number 3 welcome。Welcome to my home. Welcome to BHSS. Welcome 唔係惠康啊，惠康個 double L 嘅。好，跟住 eat 食啦 ，pay 你食咗嘢要 pay money。OK， 咁你自己睇咯喎。究竟嗱，因為得3個 blank 嘅啫，而家有5個字俾你揀。小心啲諗一諗，呢度咧5個字咧有唔同類型嘅詞性嘅。譬如 eat， 好明顯係一個動詞啦。俾錢，好 好明顯係一個 verb 啦，亦都好啦。咁 how about homeless？ 第一個無家可歸喎，無家可歸會唔會係一個動詞啊？係咪？無家可歸好明顯就係一個 adjective 啦，係咪？咁你冇咗屋企嘛，形容緊佢冇屋企啊嘛。咁所以咧，其實你要睇一睇啲詞性係點樣，你先可以將個字放翻入去嘅，得唔得？好啦，咁你自己做咯喎，呢個簡單。好 ，number 4，a spokesperson 你識解噶啦，人 spoke 係咩？點解啊？如果你記得佢係一個過去式嚟嘅，佢係邊個字嘅過去式啊 ？speak 嘅過去式。咁佢係一個 spokesperson 喎 ，speak 點解啊 ？speaking 講説話得唔得？即係一個代言人啊，就係一個 spokesperson。好啦 ，is 一個乜嘢 of an organisation 啊？一個組織嘅乜嘢啊？咁你自己睇翻咯喎，佢係一個組織嘅咩咧？會唔會係 manager 咧？係嘛？定係 chairman 咧 ？OK， 好，跟住 number 5。Name 2 reasons 兩個原因 why the staff of the fast food shop 嗰啲快餐店嘅 staff 即係嘅員工 allow 容許 people to sleep there 俾佢喺嗰度瞓。嗱，記住係要答兩個原因嘅。人哋咧第一個原因咧開咗個頭俾你噶啦。It is because they think a fast food shop is a place that after that SVO 即係完整句子，得唔得？咩叫完整句子啊？有 subject 有 verb 有 object 就係完整句子啦。呢度1分。咁話明兩個原因，第二個原因你都係點答啊？ It is because 當然啦，你話我唔用 it is because， 我用 and 得唔得啊？OK 嘅，跟住你就講第二個原因啦。呢個係第2分，加埋1就2分啦。OK， 好 ，number 6，true false not given 又係啦，我同你淨係睇啲 keywords 啊。A. Some people stay all night in the fast food shops because buses and the MTR are not in service when they finish work。佢哋留喺度，因為當佢哋收工嘅時候，冇巴士、冇地鐵收晒啦 ，not in service， 唔係服務緊，即係好夜啦。B. Some customers 有啲顧客 complain 投訴啊 about the homeless people sleeping in the fast food shop。投訴咩啊？喂，嗰啲無家可歸啲人咧，瞓晒喺麥記喎，瞓晒喺快餐店喎，有冇人投訴咧 ？OK。好 C social service groups 啲社福機構啊 are going to help homeless people who sleep in the fast food shop 會幫嗰啲瞓咗喺快餐店嘅無家可歸嘅人，有冇講過呢文章？ D some people stay all night in the fast food shop because they are homeless。 點解成晚瞓喺麥記啊？因為佢無家可歸咯。係咪呢？咁你又係自己要睇啦。OK， 好 ，number 7， 今次我哋要揾嘅係咩啊？喺第6段啊，記住啊，第6段啊 ，find opposite meaning。今次我哋唔係 similar meaning 啦，今次係 opposite。opposite 點解啊？即係相反，得唔得？反義詞。好啦 ，fill in one word only， 仲有另一樣嘢，就係人哋叫你只係填一個字啫，得唔得？一個字。好 ，A customer， 我都係嗰句，你見到嗰個字最尾係一個 s， 佢一定一係一個 noun plural noun， 一係就係一個 verb， 係 third person singular 嘅 verb。得唔得？好啦，咁呢一度究竟係一個名詞定係一個動詞呢？咁你自己揾，你自己估下 customers 點解啦？你學過㗎啦呢個字，都係嗰句 最尾呢一個答案一定係 S 尾㗎啦，唔好理佢本身係名詞定係動詞都好。好，第二個字 comfortable， 第三個 less， 頭先教過啊，咩叫 less 呢？記唔記得 homeless less？ 我有講嘅，如果你有聽你就明大約 less 點解㗎啦。OK， 咁你要揾相反詞啊，填一個字嘅啫。好 ，Number 8。Answer in complete sentence 我哋睇下啲字啊。Why have fast food shops 快餐店 become so popular among homeless people？ 點解快餐店對於啲無家可歸嘅人變得咁受歡迎啊？好啦，因為 it is because there is 乜嘢？OK， 有啲咩令到佢哋咁中意去快餐店嗰度瞓覺啊、打盹啊咁呢？ And the food is 仲有啲食物係點呢 ？OK， 嗱，記住2分㗎，你答到呢一嚿嘢1分，答到呢一嚿嘢有1分。OK， 總共2分。好，跟住最後啦 ，Number 9。Design who said the following statement 係邊一個講嘅呢？我哋睇下有邊啲人先，有 Mr. Low， 有 the woman 同埋 the spokesperson 代言人女人同埋阿 Low 得唔得？好 A。It is too expensive to take a taxi back home at midnight。哇！你要我半夜搭的士返屋企，太貴啦。好 B，I had no place to sleep， 冇地方瞓啊。So I slept in the McDonald's， 所以我咪就喺麥記瞓咯。邊個講嘅呢？ C，It is okay for people to sleep in a fast food shop， 冇問題啊，我覺得。OK， 好，咁就睇文章做呢一 part 啦。OK。